Okay guys, I'm in the back of the turbo. You see, I was able to take out this tube. Yeah, very easy, no problem at all. Now, I was able to pass the turbo around those tubing here, those coolant line. So now the turbo is free, and I can finally take it off. Alright, let me grab it from underneath. Okay, now here it is, guys. The second turbo is off. Woof. Guys, like and subscribe. I worked hard for y'all, so you guys know how to do the procedure. I showed you the step-by-step procedure to remove the turbo. Now both turbo are out. You can check out the other video. I'm doing it part by part, so you can see and be able to follow and do it easily, so you don't have a struggle. Now I can identify the turbo and see what was the issue with them. I got brand new replacement for them. Oh guys, it took me 3 days, but I did it like slowly. I wasn't in a hurry, so if I would have done it one shot, it would probably take me maybe eight hours. But the important part that it's done, everything it's done. The turbo are out, and we can be able to replace them with brand new turbos. You can see here. So I'm very happy for the work that I done. So like and subscribe. If you want to do it, just look at the reversal. If you want to install it, just look at the reversal of the way that I took them out, and you should be able to do this job. So out of 10, if I have to mark it out of 10, I would say the back one, the real issues are the heat shield, because they off seas. So you're gonna have really a problem, but you need to take out the heat shields. You have no other choice. Take out the heat shield, and you'll be able to access the turbo. After that, the other issues that I had was those two cooling line. It was really tight, and the way that it was, look, you had to find a way to do it like that. So I was able to do it, but a good mechanic will be able to do it. But guys, don't be mad if you go to the dealer and they charge you like $2,000, because it's not an easy job, and they're gonna charge you for a job like that. All right, so peace, God bless. Like and subscribe, comment, ask me question. I'm available. Peace out. Here's the box with all the bolts that I took off. If you guys want to understand why this issue was a problem, look at all the bolts. They all broken. For the heat shield, you know, this issue, it's crazy how the small thing could be. It's always like that in mechanics. It's always the little things that give you the most problems. So those are finished. Those are the bolts for the exhaust turbos. I'm gonna replace them. I'm gonna go to Ford and put brand new ones, because those are finished. The washers, I guess they good. They not finished. The washers for the cooling line, you can see they good. It's not a probably gonna replace them too while I'm there. What else? All the rest is pretty much basic, so just do the reversal, guys, and you'll be okay for this problem, for the replacement of the turbo. So like and subscribe, share. If you have people with this issue, those one goes for 2013 to 2019, all EcoBoost for the Taurus sedan. I guess it's the same for the Explorer and the Edge. The configuration is pretty much the same, but for the Ford F-150, I guess it's more easy because the engine is not configured the same way that it is on this sedan car. So I like and subscribe again, share, comment, and peace out. Peace.